Love, bear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty to you. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Sa'yo pa rin uuwi.
Adrian, Ray, and Crystal Ann, handang-handa nang ipagsigawan ang kanilang pangakong pagmamahalan sa isa't isa mula ngayon hanggang magpakailanman.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti.
Love is a commitment, not just a feeling. Piliin ninyong mahalin ang isa't isa. Kahit na sa mga pagkakataong parang ayaw nyo na sa isa't isa.
Di natin namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli
Crystal Ann, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Adrian Ray, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
palagi.
Kung balikan man ang hirap,
Crystal Ann, do you take Adrian Ray here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
ito tayo
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw.
sa
Grant us, O Lord,
to be one heart and one soul,
from this day forward,
pa rin sa yakap.
for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.